Here we are up at Lyons Reservoir, just above Sonora, about 15-20 minutes above Sonora. We're gonna head out for a little ride. This is our first time going to Lyons Reservoir. We actually tried to go to the lower dam road, which is the old railroad bed, and I think it's closed off because the spot that All Trails took us to, it looked like it's been freshly graded, had private property signs all over, so I'm not sure if that's been closed off or what, but we ended up just coming up here to the Lyons turn off right off of the highway 108, and I talked to a buddy of mine. He sent us a map of some trails, so we're gonna do the Lyons Dam Trail, which right when you go in, you go to the right. He said it's pretty fun, drops us right down to the dam. So here we go. Said go in here and go to the right. Oh, see, there's the trail that goes up to the right. So we're gonna go this one right here. He said we climb up a little bit and then it drops down. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, that's fun.
I'm not really riding like this because like on the edge. It's super tight.
Yeah.
That was sick though. Okay, I'm done.
Yeah. Ooh. You okay?
Ow, my arm.
You all right?
No, my arm hurt so bad I landed on it.
Too much front brake again?
Stop. That is not funny.
You okay? No. Well, we will have to go up that road on our way out. Oh, yeah, you could go up and over and down that, huh? There's the dam. Yeah, let's go down there. Let's go check her out. This old wall right here.
What?
This old wall. It's kind of neat.
I'm pretty I'm gonna stay.
Use your brakes.
Ew, me.
What? Oh, I almost slipped.
My bike is so good.
It's just like a...
I swear. Can you stop? Don't. Oh, I want to see this.
Woohoo! Here we are down at Lyons Dam Reservoir. So it was about 2.46 miles down that trail. It took us about 45 minutes. Obviously, if you're a little more experienced mountain bikers, you're probably gonna do it in like a half hour or less, because we're not the fastest or the best at it. But it's some great views down here. You can hike all around the dam, hike down below the dam. Lake's a little low. It's August, mid-August, so you know they've let a lot of water out, but really pretty, nice ride. So now we got the ride out, but we're gonna go cruise around the lake a little bit. We're down at the parking area now. So you could, if you've got multiple people with your vehicles, you could take, you know, 2 vehicles down here, leave a vehicle, and then I'll pile in one, go to the top, ride the trail down, and then I'll pile in one and go back up. So you can drive down here. You can see they got a parking area. They got, looks like some restrooms. And I mean, you can get right down in here. You can go hike around the lake. Pretty cool. Gotta use those gears, Corb. Shift it down to the easiest gear. Didn't make it very far. Good job, Corb. Woo. Woohoo!
My hair is really sweaty. It's wet. You
Yeah.
get sweaty.
Yeah. We just got out from the Lyons Dam Trail, and
He's fine.
it is the ride out. What took us an hour because the first part is super steep. Corbin walked the first part, and then he started kind of getting in gear and getting used to it, and rode out. It was like 2.28 miles. Took us an hour, but we had to stop a lot. Cameron was struggling on it. He wasn't handling the hills real well, so he walked most of it.
And
So
then I was in front of him because I didn't
Corbin
know Dad
was
waiting.
Corbin did awesome. He rode it all the way out. His little legs did real good. Cameron, how'd that go? Cameron.
Stop videoing me.
So he doesn't want to go. You want to go do it again, Cam?
No.
No. At first, when we got all the way down to the bottom and checked out the dam, he wanted to do another trail, and I said, well, let's wait until we get to the top. So I think definitely if we ever did this again, we would we would take a shuttle vehicle. So have one vehicle at the bottom that we could drive out, and do it that way. Because these kids are definitely spoiled by Mammoth being their first real mountain bike ride, and they want to ride a chairlift up. So
I'm just happy that they shut the end.
yeah, now we got some sandwiches that Mom made for us, and cooling off in the van because it's
Still really hot.
it's about 12:30. We started at like 10 this morning. So, all right, thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe. Leave us a comment if you rode this ride or any of the trails out here, and let us know what you thought. See ya.